One of the greatest challenges that recruiters face when using LinkedIn Recruiter is how do you as a recruiter go beyond basic search capabilities or basic fundamental search capabilities so that you can bring back more people in your search results than any other recruiter out there. Brendan here, aka the Savvy Recruiter. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super cool tip so that you can bring back more people into your search capabilities by adding alongside Boolean operators or hidden operators. If you like the content of this channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. And without further ado, I am going to just jump over onto my desktop. Okay, so LinkedIn Recruiter, we are going to focus on the job title and field. Just to make you aware, so the hidden operators that are contained within LinkedIn work within the job title, but also the company's field. They do not work within the keyword section. So in one of my earlier videos, we talked a little bit about the hidden operator, the headline operator. And just to remind you what that looks like is in the job title, you need to select current. So you must have current here, and we can write something like headline, and this works better with single words, but if I wanted to look for quantum, for example, and was to hit enter, we can see we have headline colon quantum. There is no space between that, and it searches the subject, the headline here. So we can see quantum, we can see quantum, we can see this quantum here. We can go down to here. Here's this quantum, and the kind of idea and thought process behind this is I can search for the word quantum within my keywords, but the word quantum within keywords, that could be at a master's degree or a PhD, and maybe that person has moved completely out of that field and is working for a software engineering company doing nothing with quantum. And the idea behind this is really kind of to stack the odds in your favor. I want to see people who are working currently with quantum, and one of the easiest ways to do this is to search your headline, because generally people put in what it is that they do there. Now, to give another example, so here we have 20,000 open to the work. Now the 20,000 people that are open to work have selected that they are open to work, and generally you will see this green banner. But what happens if they're open to work but they haven't notified LinkedIn, but they've used their subject line, their headline? So what we could do here is we could use headline, and we could put open to. Okay, so when the search results populate, what we will see is we'll see this open to work, open to work, open to work, open to opportunities. So this is a really good example. So all of these people, if you had selected this 400 open to work, you would see these. However, this person, Shari Wood, you wouldn't see her in, or Imtaz, you wouldn't see this person, or you wouldn't see this person. You would see them, you would see them. So already going through kind of the top 8-9 profiles, we've already found 3 or 4 people that you have found more. Now what we can also do is we can change this word out. So what happens if we were to put looking? So again, we can see that this person has selected that they are open to work, which is what this filters on. However, Rich here is looking for opportunities, but we wouldn't have seen him. Nor would we have seen Lauren, nor would we have seen Gordon or Amy, or and obviously we would have seen these. So again, in kind of the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 results, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 people that we just would not have seen. And this is all about kind of understanding your synonyms. What about seeking? Seeking new opportunities, seeking. Kimberly here, we wouldn't see. Matthew here, we wouldn't see. And let's have a look at searching. And here's a really good example of misspellings. So I've clearly spelt this. There are 8 people open to work here that are searching or searching for a job. But here we have Imran, we have Oscar, we have Babagana, and these are people again that you wouldn't see, but we have searched a misspelling there. And then if we put this in correctly, we now have 69,000 people open to work and 120k results. So searching for opportunities, searching for new opportunities. This person we wouldn't have seen. Mark we wouldn't see. Anna we wouldn't see. Zach we wouldn't see. Nikita. So already, again, in the top kind of 10 results, we're seeing kind of 4 or 5 people that we just wouldn't see if we selected this tab. So the other thing that we can also do is we can also use the job title field and we can search skills. So again, what we've done here is we've done software engineer and then we've done skills : Python. And what this will do is if we open a couple of these in a new tab, and we click through onto their profiles, is this will not only search the job title, so we should be seeing this kind of software engineer, which is where it's picked it up. But if we were to go down to the skill section, we should be seeing somewhere the word Python here. If we go down to Morgan, so Morgan is a software engineer, which is what we've asked to see. And then on the skills tab, these will have Python. And as a last example, let's do everything in threes. We have Rajiv. So Rajiv is software engineer. And if we scroll down into this tab, we should have somewhere the Python. So what this is doing is kind of edging your bets and effectively trying to increase your chances. So we can use a headline function and use various different synonyms to find open to, searching, looking, seeking, and any other words that you can think of, which will bring back more people than if you had just selected the open to opportunities tab. And lastly, just to kind of obviously increase our chances, we can also use that in combination with a job title and then using the skills operator to at the same time search, I want to see somebody that has the word Python in their skills. If you've got any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me, and happy hunting.